When you understand the basis of wealth creation, it means you have understood how to become wealthy. In this video, I will be guiding you through the simple strategies to become wealthy. Hi, my name is Kolade Adedipe. If you are watching my video for the first time or you have been watching but yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to subscribe free of charge so that you can be seeing more of my videos whenever you are on YouTube. So, before I go further, do you really understand what the word wealth means? Wealth simply means an abundance of valuable possessions. Many of us usually feel that to be wealthy is to only have a lot of money in the bank. You can have a lot of money in your bank account and still look poor or wretched to people. Doesn't really matter to be wealthy. Watch along to get to know all of this. Did you know that wealth matters because it will enable you to continue living even if you don't have a source of income for a while? So how do you create your wealth? Here are the 5 simple strategies to create wealth for yourself. 1. Learn to save. Sometimes the hardest thing about saving is how to get it started. But when you start, you are in it. Don't forget, your motive is to create wealth for yourself. So you have to save to get yourself valuables, not just to save and counting the figures. Remember, wealth is an abundance of valuable possessions, not abundance of cash in your bank accounts. You should learn to save, then turn your savings to wealth. 2. Mingle with wealthy people. Who you mingle with matters more than you may think. In fact, your worth tends to reflect that of your friends. If you are aspiring to be wealthy and you do hang out with misers who hoard wealth and spend as little as possible, you will realize you will find yourself in this kind of habit. And when you don't spend your money to acquire valuables for yourself, your chances of becoming wealthy will be very slim. 3. Become an entrepreneur. Who is an entrepreneur? Is a person who sets up a business or businesses in the hope of profit. As the meaning implied, you can't sit doing nothing and expect to be wealthy. Wealthy people engage themselves in businesses. One of the best ways to create wealth is to be an entrepreneur. So, you should think of something different and develop a business out of it. 4. Focus more on investment. Investment is the process of investing money for profit. I strongly recommend putting your money into property if you are an African. So many wise, wealthy individuals purchased a lot of landed properties for themselves, which later appreciated after some years, and as a result of this, eventually made them wealthy. This is another powerful way for you to be wealthy. Don't make luxury lifestyles your major priority. Rather, invest in properties or other less risky investments you can think of. 5. Avoid crazy consumption. Are you aspiring to be wealthy, but you consume than you receive? If you cannot avoid conspicuous consumption, your wealth creation will be very hard. I hope you have learned something from me. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you have not. Till we see again, get a better life.